I know firsthand how important it is to keep that ceramic coating on your car looking pristine. I bought and tested these car wash soaps so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's dive into the top 5 best car wash soaps that are safe for ceramic-coated cars, ensuring your ride shines bright without stripping away any protection.
Product number 1. Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap. When I first tried Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink Car Wash Soap, I was immediately impressed by the thick suds it produced. Using it with my foam cannon, I watched as the rich, candy-scented foam enveloped my car, easing away dirt and grime without any effort. The experience was like a spa day for my vehicle. The pH-balanced formula is a game changer. It's designed to be gentle yet effective, preserving my car's ceramic coating while delivering a professional-grade clean. After rinsing, I noticed how the soap left behind a glossy finish without any swirl marks. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, the thick foaming action is fantastic for encapsulating dirt, which means fewer scratches during washing. It's also versatile, great for cars, trucks, and even motorcycles. The candy scent is a fun touch. Washing the car became less of a chore and more of an enjoyable experience. However, on the con side, some users might find it slightly more expensive than basic soaps, but the results justify the price. Why should you buy this? If you care about maintaining your ceramic coating and want a soap that delivers a deep clean while being safe for all finishes, Mr. Pink is worth every penny. It's not just car soap, it's part of a routine that keeps your vehicle looking fresh and protected.
Product number 2. SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun. Using the SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun transformed my car washing routine into something fun and engaging. It's like having a mini foam party in my driveway. Connecting it to my garden hose was seamless. All I had to do was attach and spray. The adjustable foam concentration was a lifesaver for those particularly dirty days. I could dial up the bubbles for tougher grime and turn it down for a gentler wash. My kids loved it too, turning a mundane chore into a family bonding experience. The pros of this foam gun are clear. It's easy to use, requires no additional equipment, and minimizes the risk of scratching your paint. The foam acts like a protective layer, gently lifting away dirt without damaging the finish. However, I did find that it works best with specific soaps, so you'll want to ensure you're using a compatible product. Why should you consider this? If you want to make car washing enjoyable and efficient, the SwiftJet Foam Gun is a fantastic investment. It enhances the washing experience, especially for families, and simplifies the process while offering excellent results.
Product number 3. Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wash and Wax. When I first poured the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wash and Wax into my bucket, I was struck by how effortlessly it mixed with water, creating a rich, luxurious foam. As I washed my car, I could feel the slickness of the hybrid ceramic formula working its magic. The beating action of water on the surface after the wash was nothing short of impressive, showcasing the added wax protection. It was like a 2-in-1 deal, a wash that also boosts the shine. The pros? The protection it offers while cleaning is fantastic. It doesn't strip existing wax, preserving that beautiful shine. It's clear coat safe, and the versatility in application is a significant advantage. The only con I found was that it requires precise dilution, which might be a bit tedious for some. Why should you buy this? If you want a car wash that simultaneously enhances and protects your ceramic coating, look no further. Meguiar's Hybrid Wash and Wax is an effective solution that simplifies your car care routine while delivering excellent results.
Product number 4. P&S Professional Detail Products Pearl Auto Shampoo. The first time I tried P&S Pearl Auto Shampoo, I was blown away by the thick, high foaming action. It clung to my car like a warm hug, providing superior lubrication to lift dirt and grime effortlessly. The lemon scent was refreshing and made for a pleasant washing experience. I felt confident that it was safe for my ceramic coating while delivering a deep clean. On the pro side, it's pH balanced, biodegradable, and gentle on both my car and my hands. No more dry, irritated skin after washing. It's also been designed for professional use, which says a lot about its quality. However, I did find it a bit pricier than some other options, but I think it's worth it for the performance. Why should you consider Pearl?
If you value a clean vehicle and care about the environment, this is a fantastic choice. It provides professional results while being gentle on both your car and the planet.
Product number 5. Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax. Using Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax was a revelation. The moment I started washing my car, I noticed the rich suds lifting dirt and grime without scratching the surface. It's clear coat safe and combines cleaning with added wax protection, which is perfect for maintaining that ceramic finish. The sweet cherry scent was an unexpected delight. Pros: it delivers a deep shine and exceptional cleaning power, all in one easy step. It's also versatile, compatible with other Meguiar's products, which is a plus for any car care enthusiast. The only downside I encountered was that it may require a bit more product for larger vehicles, but it's nothing too significant. Why should you buy this? If you want a quick and easy way to maintain your vehicle's shine and protection, Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax is an excellent choice. It's simple, effective, and delivers professional results that any car lover would appreciate.
After testing these products, I can confidently say they each have their unique strengths. Whether you're looking for a fun washing experience or a professional-grade cleaner, there's something here for everyone. Invest in the right car wash soap to keep your ceramic coating looking its best, and enjoy the process of keeping your vehicle clean.